Rob Stone, 2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick to drugs.
Yeah, I need my money raw. Yeah, I'm looking at the bank, same as I do not want to jail. Yeah, nuts with my gang. You be just a stain. Cover on my chain.
Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome back to a new video. I'm very sorry I missed last weekend's video. I just had nothing really interesting to record, so I thought that today's Thursday, so I thought I'm going to a meet today. Yeah, a meet on Thursday. I'm going to the SK Cruisers meet in Manchester. They hold some good meets, to be honest, guys. Definitely one of the biggest meets I've been to through the week. But yeah, I just thought I might as well vlog today, seeing as the new t-shirts have now come out, so I'm just gonna go pick them up. Also got the new trucker hats as well, so as you can see, this is what they look like. There's only 4 of these left, so if you want one, then make sure you message the page or message CultureGang's Instagram. I've also got the normal style CG logo hats back in stock as well. They do sell out really fast, guys, so it's first come first serve. So guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I am in a rush. The meet starts at around 7:30. I've got to go pick up Callum, and I've got to go pick up these new t-shirts. So I'm always in a rush, guys. It's even harder when I'm doing a video. But yeah, let's go pick up these t-shirts, and I'll show you what they look like after this bit. Let's go. Right guys, what is going on? I've just picked up the t-shirts now. So this is what they look like. We've got the printed CultureGang logo, like the hoodies, on the front and on the back. I don't know if you can see there. See if I can get a good backhand. I'll go right. Well, on the back it says "Only the Gang." That's his new slogan, same as the sticker. But I'll get one out of the boot and show you the back. So on the back of the t-shirts it says "Only the Gang." We have them in small, medium, large and extra large. So they're £15 each. If you wanted one, then please message one of us before they all sell out, guys. But yeah, these are the new t-shirts for summer. Hopefully it stays warm. But yeah, gonna go pick up Callum in Headingley and then drive over to the Manchester meet. So I'll probably see you guys when I pick Callum up, so let's go. Right guys, we've just turned up to the meet now. But yeah, we're gonna set up a stall, and that Billy's over here selling his CDs. And Moose Juice in here tonight. We're gonna get in and do some recordings of some cars, guys, so check back in with you guys. East side is the best.
So guys, what do you find in Mackey's? What do you find in Mackey's? Oh, look. Of course. Show us the new hats then.
Gang business.
Oh. Billy, show us the new tracksuits then. Look, check this out. Look at that.
Is this supposed to be open? Nah. Turn it off. I can plug a USB into it. Put my phone in a chair. That's not supposed to be open there. Oh, that bit of strong blue tack holding it there. There's a bit of strong.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Right guys, what is going on? We've just had our Mackies, yeah? And some woman came over to us and basically said we've all been dropped on his heads as kids. And she had a right go at us and then stormed out because manager won't boot us out for some reason. But yeah, we're about to head back to Leeds now with Callum, Billy and Rupert. But yeah, that's been basically end of video guys, so make sure you watch next one. But yeah, make sure you watch next one, leave a like and comment and subscribe. And yeah, peace out guys. How much? How much for what?